Good morning. Welcome back. For today, I thought what we could do is a really chilled, more in real time. I wanted to completely reorganize my closet. I actually did a closet clean out not too long ago, and I feel like I'm at a very good phase with it where it's all things that I really, really love to wear. I didn't end up filming the clean out, but I am going to be sharing with you what I did for the reorganization, how I organized it, the different sections, how I do it by color. I'm kind of picky about how I organize my things, and I do like everything to be super organized because back in the day, my closet was a hot mess. I'm not gonna lie to you, I had so many things. It was really overwhelming. I never knew where anything was, and things would just get lost at the back. So something I really try to focus on these days is keeping it very, very organized and having everything in place. So that is exactly what we're doing. I'm gonna show you, my method. I pulled literally everything out, and we are gonna be starting from complete scratch. So I hope you enjoy this because I had a lot of fun doing it. It was very therapeutic for me. We're gonna put on some chill music. We're gonna enjoy our hot drink, and we are gonna get cleaning. So I hope you enjoy, and hopefully it inspires you to do the same with your own wardrobe. I really wanted to give my entire closet a complete makeover organization-wise, and I find that's just easiest to do when you pull every single thing out of there and start with a blank slate. So I'm kind of experimenting, starting off with jackets and blazers on the bottom there and then moving into sweaters on the top. I also love organizing by color. I put, all of my whites and lights together. I go into colors, and then I put all my darks and blacks together as well, because I love having that, the visual of it and having more of that gradient within the wardrobe. I just think it looks good, so that's kind of what I'm experimenting with a little bit here. And then I ended up deciding that the jackets and blazers would go best in behind the sweaters. I'm also hanging up all of my camisole tops. I like hanging these just so that they don't wrinkle. I find when I fold certain things, they get a little bit more wrinkled. So I do love having certain things to be hung up as well. And I thought these summerier tops could be perfect on the bottom of the closet. I also really love hanging up specific skirts or pants as well, ones that I find tend to wrinkle up a little bit easier, so things like linens, especially a lot of my wide leg pants. I like to have those on hangers, and I'm just going to put those in behind my camisole tops. Next up, things like jeans and other pants. I like to fold those and put those away. Once again, I'm kind of organizing by color here just because it feels good to start things off getting organized when it is that blank slate. So every other kind of pant goes there. Now in behind the jackets and blazers, I'm keeping a lot of my dresses because these are mostly summer dresses. And since I live in a country where it is predominantly winter, I don't reach for those as often, unfortunately. So they're just gonna go at the back. But otherwise, you can see how everything is pretty color coded here. I have t-shirts, more casual shirts folded up on the shelf as well. And underneath those, I have a few summer blouses as well. So things that I don't typically hang up. So I'll just keep those folded on a shelf. On the lower shelves, that's where I have my jeans and my pants. I also have things like sweats and leggings. And on the right-hand side, as I showed you the camisoles, I have the pants there. And up top, we have some blouses. So dressier blouses, button-ups, all of that sort of thing. Once again, organized by color. And that is exactly how I am organizing my closet space. I really love how it turned out. I love color coding everything and having everything in sections, you know, sweaters and then blazers and then blouses. Just makes things a lot easier, and I love having my things in order. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll catch you in my next video.